We will guide you through how to change Photoshop file from RGB to CMYK. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your RGB document in Adobe Photoshop. Click Image on the menu bar to open the image level options. Select Mode to view the color modes available for the document. Confirm that RGB color currently has a check mark beside it, showing that the file is still using the red, green, and blue color model. Click CMYK color to begin converting the document for a cyan, magenta, yellow, and black printing workflow. If Photoshop asks how to handle your layers, choose Don't Flatten when you want to preserve them for continued editing. Alternatively, select Flatten if the document is finished and you want a simplified, print-ready file, understanding that the individual layers will be combined. When the profile message appears, click OK to accept the default CMYK profile and complete the conversion. Look at the document title and verify that it now includes CMYK/8, which indicates CMYK color with 8 bits per channel. Review the entire artwork closely for shifts in brightness, saturation, or hue. Open the color panel by pressing the F6 key and confirm that it displays cyan, magenta, yellow, and black values. If the conversion does not produce the result you want, press the Ctrl and Z keys together to undo the most recent change. Before converting again, open View and choose Proof Colors, or press the Ctrl and Y keys together to preview how the document may look when printed under the active proof setup. When you are satisfied, open File, choose Save As, and save a separate copy so the original RGB version remains available for screen use or future editing. Finally, export the converted document as a high-quality PDF or TIFF file, selecting appropriate print settings and preserving the required color profile so the finished file is ready for your printer or production provider.